my dear friends. ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఎక్సర్సైజ్ సిలోని ఫస్ట్ రౌండ్ కంప్లీట్ చేసుకొని సెకండ్ రౌండ్లో 1 to 7 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఈరోజు మనం ప్రాబ్లం నెంబర్ 7 నుండి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇద్దాం. ప్రాబ్లం నెంబర్ 8, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ cos root x into dx. Integration of cos root x into dx. So integration of cos x dx is sin x plus c. So cos root x dx ఉంది కాబట్టి ఫంక్షన్ మొత్తాన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేసుకున్న తర్వాత అప్పుడు మనం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అప్లై చేయాలి. సో లెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ cos root x into dx. Put root x is equal to x is equal to t square. This implies t is equal to root x. So differentiation apply is dx is equal to 2t into dt. So integration of cos root x means t square. X means t square. dx means 2t into dt. Here square की root की cancel. 2 is the constant. So 2 into cos t into dt. Here t is the algebraical function, cos t is the trigonometric function. So let u of t is equal to t. This implies u dash of t equal to 1. V dash of t is equal to cos t. Integration of cos t is sin t. Integration of cos t is sin t. So integration of u v dash of x dx is equal to u v of x minus integration of u dash into v of x dx plus c. So formula को convert చేద్దాం. u v of x means t into sin t minus integration of అనేది మనకి దీని ఫ్రంట్ మనకి 2 అనే ఒక టర్మ్ ఉంది. 2 into t sin t minus integration of u dash of t means 1. v of x means sin t into dt. So 2 into t sin t minus integration of sin t is cos t plus c. So 2t into sin t minus into minus plus 2 into cos t, 2 cos t plus c. So 2 into t means root x, sin t means root x plus 2 cos root x plus c. This is problem number 8. Next problem number 9, integration of x into secant square 2x into dx. So x is the f of x, secant square 2x is the g of x. So integration by parts. So x is the algebraical function, secant square 2x is the trigonometric function. So algebraical function is first. So let u of x is equal to x. This implies u dash of x is equal to differentiation of x is 1. v dash of x is equal to secant square 2x. This implies integration of secant square 2x tan 2x by 2. Integration of secant square 2x is tan 2x by 2. So formula is integration of u v dash of x dx is equal to u v of x minus integration of u dash into v of x dx plus c. So u v of x means x into tan 2x by 2 minus integration of u dash of x means 1. v dash of x means tan 2x by 2 into dx. So by 2 tan 2x minus 1 by 2 is the constant remaining tan 2x into dx. So x by 2 tan 2x minus 1 by 2 into integration of tan x is log mod secant x, that means log mod secant 2x by 2 plus c. So x by 2 into tan 2x minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 log mod secant 2x plus c. This is problem number 9. Problem number 9. Next problem number 10. Integration of x into cot square x dx. So x in cot square x two functions యొక్క product మనం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ బై పార్ట్స్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. cot square x అనే ఫంక్షన్ మనకి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ లేదు కాబట్టి cot square x అనే ఫంక్షన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేసిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు మనం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ బై పార్ట్స్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ x ఇంటూ cot square x మనం cosecant square x minus 1 into dx. Cosecant square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. So cot square x is equal to cosecant square x minus 1 into dx. So integration of x into cosecant square x dx minus integration of x into 1 x dx. So x cosecant square x dx అనే ఫంక్షన్ కి మనం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ బై పార్ట్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. Let u of x is equal to x. This implies u dash of x is equal to differentiation of x is 1. b dash of x is equal to cosecant square x. This implies integration of cosecant square x dx is minus cot x. Integration of cosecant square x dx is minus cot x. So integration of u v dash of x dx is equal to u v of x minus integration of u dash into v of x dx plus c. So u v of x means x into minus cot x minus integration of u dash of x means 1. V of x means minus cot x into dx minus integration of x dx is x square by 2 plus c. X square by 2 plus c. So is equal to x into minus cot x minus x cot x minus x cot x. Here minus into minus is plus. Integration of cot x into dx minus x square by 2 plus c. So minus x cot x plus integration of cot x dx is log mod sin x minus x square by 2 plus c. This is problem number 10. Next problem is problem number 11. Integration of e power of x into tan x plus secant square x into dx. The formula రూపంలో ఉంది మనకి integration of e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to e power of x into f of x plus c. Let f of x is equal to tan x. F of x is equal to tan x. Differentiation of d by dx of tan x is secant square x. F of x is equal to tan x, f dash of x is equal to secant square x. Integration of e power of x into tan x plus secant square x into dx. E power of x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power of x into f of x plus c. F of x means tan x. E power of x into tan x plus c. This is problem number 11. Next, 12th one. Problem number 12. Integration of e power of x into 1 plus x log x by x into dx. Integration of e power of x into 1 plus x log x by x. So integration of e power of x into x అనే ఫంక్షన్ 2 ఫంక్షన్ అప్లై చేయండి. 1 by x plus x log x by x into dx. Here x cancel. Integration of e power of x into 1 by x plus log x into dx. Let f of x is equal to log x, f dash of x is equal to 1 by x. This implies integration of e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power of x into f of x plus c. So e power of x into, here f of x is log x, f dash of x is 1 by x. E power of x into f of x plus c. E power of x into f of x means log x. E power of x into log x plus c. This is problem number 12. So problem number 13. Problem number 13. Let I is equal to integration of e power of ax into sine bx dx. Equation number 1. So integration by part choose చేసుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ కూడా మనం. Let u of x is equal to e power of ax is exponential power, sin bx is trigonometric function. So sin function is first. So let u of x is sin bx. Sin bx. This implies u dash of x is equal to d by dx of sin x is cos bx. Inner derivative of bx is b. B dash of x is equal to e power of ax. Integration of e power of ax is e power of ax by a. E power of ax by a. So integration of u v dash of x dx is equal to uv of x minus integration of u dash into v of x dx plus c. So formula రూపంలో కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకుందాం. I is equal to sin bx into e power of ax by a minus integration of u dash of x means b cos bx. V of x means e power of ax by a into dx. So I is equal to 1 by a into e power of ax into sin bx minus b constant, a constant. So b by a is the constant remaining. Cos bx into e power of ax dx. So again మనం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ బై పార్ట్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. cos bx into e power of ax అనే ఫంక్షన్కి. Again u of x is equal to cos bx. This implies u dash of x is equal to d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. Minus sin bx. Inner derivative of bx is b. V dash of x is equal to e power of ax. E power of ax అనే ఫంక్షన్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అప్లై చేస్తే మనకి E of x is equal to e power of ax by a. E power of ax by a. So I is equal to 1 by a into e power of ax into sin bx minus b by a into cos bx into e power of ax అనే ఫంక్షన్ మనకి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ బై పార్ట్స్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. uv of x means cos bx into e power of ax by a. ax by a minus integration of u dash of x means minus sin bx into b into b of x means e power of ax by a into dx. So I is equal to 1 by a e power of ax into sin bx. So 1 by a is the constant, minus b by a into 1 by a minus b by a square into cos bx into e power of ax. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus. b by a into b by a, b square by a square, b square by a square into integration of sin bx into e power of ax dx. So I is equal to 1 by a into e power of ax into sin bx minus b by a square into cos bx into e power of ax minus b square by a square into integration of e power of ax into sin bx dx means I from equation 1. So minus అనే term is equal to the right hand I plus b square by a square into I is equal to 1 by a e power of ax into sin bx minus b by a square into cos bx into e power of ax. So I కామన్ చేసినట్లయితే మనకి 1 plus b square by a square is equal to 1 by a into e power of ax into sin bx minus b by a square into cos bx into e power of ax. So LCM is a square plus b square by a square is equal to 2 terms లోంచి e power of ax కామన్ చేస్తే రిమైనింగ్ 1 by a into sin bx minus b by a square into cos bx. 2 ఫంక్షన్లో మనం e power of x కామన్ చేస్తే సో I is equal to ఫ్రాక్షన్ అనేది రెసిప్రోకల్ అవుతుంది మనకి a square e power of ax by a square plus b square into 1 by a sin bx minus b by a square into cos bx. So e power of ax by a square plus b square into a square అనే టర్మ్ చేత 2 ఫంక్షన్ మల్టిప్లై చేసింది. a square by a కి a square క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే a sin bx minus a square by b by a square కి a square క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే మనకి b cos bx plus c. This is problem number 30. number 14. Integration of e power of x into 1 plus x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. E power of x అనే ఫంక్షన్ కామన్ చేస్తే మనం x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square into dx అని సింప్లిఫై చేయొచ్చు. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel, remaining x అనే ఫంక్షన్ ఉంది. అంటే ఈ ఫార్మ్ x e power of x plus 1 whole square అనే ఫంక్షన్ సింప్లిఫై చేసిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు మనం ఫార్ములా రూపంలో కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ e power of x into x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square into dx. X plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by 1 x plus 1 whole square. So x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 ki x plus 1 whole square cancel. Integration of e power of x into 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square into dx. Let f of x is equal to 1 by x plus 1. F of x is equal to 1 by x plus 1. D by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So f of x is equal to 1 by x plus 1. F dash of x is equal to 1 by x plus 1 whole square. One formula. Integration of e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power of x into f of x plus c. So integration of e power of x into 1 by x plus 1 plus minus of x plus 1 whole square into dx is equal to e power of x into e power of x into f of x means 1 by x plus 1 plus c. So e power of x by x plus 1 plus c. This is problem number 14. Problem number 15. Integration of dx by x square plus a square whole square. ఈ ఫంక్షన్ కూడా ముందు సింప్లిఫై చేసిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు మనం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అప్లై చేయాలి. Put x is equal to a tan theta. X is equal to a tan theta. This implies theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. Tan inverse x by a. Differentiation apply చేయండి. x is equal to a tan theta secant square theta into d theta. Secant square theta into d theta. Integration of dx means a into secant square theta into d theta whole by x square. X square means a square tan square theta plus a square whole square. Nominator to a common చేద్దాం. Secant square theta into d theta by ఈ రెండింటిలోంచి ఏ స్క్వేర్ కామన్ చేయండి. ఏ స్క్వేర్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఏ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4. ఏ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4 ఫ్రంట్ రాయండి. రిమైనింగ్ tan square theta plus 1. tan square theta plus 1. a की a power of 4 की cancel. 1 by a cube. Integration of secant square theta into d theta by here 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Secant square theta whole square is secant power of 4 theta. Secant power of 4 theta. Secant square theta is secant power of 4 theta cancel. 1 by a cube into integration of 1 by secant means cos square. Cos square theta into theta. 1 by a cube into cos cube theta and cos square theta మనం 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 into d theta. So 1 by 2a cube into integration of 1 theta plus 1 by 2a cube into integration of cos 2 theta into d theta. 1 by 2a cube into integration of 1 theta is theta plus 1 by 2a cube into integration of cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta by 2 plus c. 1 by 2a cube into theta means tan inverse x by a plus 1 by 2a cube into 4a cube sin 2 into theta means 2 tan inverse x by a plus c. Sin into 2 into theta means tan inverse x by a plus c. This is problem number 15. Problem number 15. Remaining problems tomorrow discuss చేసుకుందాం. Thank you to all.